Hello everyone, myself Deepak Shah and I am again here with my new video on the topic of class 12th chapter 3 matrices. Today's topic is elementary operations or transformations of a matrix. This topic is very important for examination basis. So what is elementary operations or transformations of a matrix? There are six types of elementary operations. 3 by rows and 3 are by columns. So first by rows there are 3 operations. First operation is interchange of any two rows. Okay, interchange of any two rows, just like Ri interchange Rj, or we can write it as R1 interchange R2, R2 interchange R1, and so on. R1 and R2 are rows. R1 is first row, R2 is second row. So R1 change to R2. This is first transformation, interchange of any two matrix, two rows. Second is multiplication of a number in a particular row, just like Ri, change in Ri. This means change. Ri, change in Ri is KRI, or Ri change to 1 by KRI. It means R1, change in R1, what change? Sometimes 2R1, R1 change to 1 by 2R1, and so on. So this is the second change, multiplication of a number in a row. Then third, addition or subtraction. Addition or subtraction of two rows. Just like Ri, change in Ri. What change? Ri plus or minus Rj. First row add with second row, or we can write it as R1 change R1 plus R2 or R1 minus R2. Sometimes R1 tends to R1 plus minus KR2. Here K is any scalar or any number. So these are the three operations, three transformations due to rows. Same operations are in column also. For column we write here Ci interchange to Cj, Ci tends to KCi, C1 1 by 2 C1, C2 1 by 2 C2, and so on. So only the change is at the place of Ri, Rj we write Ci, Cj, but otherwise they are same. So these are the 6 operations which we use to find inverse of a matrix. So what is inverse? Now we see what is inverse. For this, first we need to know invertible matrix. What is invertible matrix? If A is any matrix, B is another matrix of same order must be same order, such that AB equals to BA equals to I. If this condition occurs, AB equals to BA equals to I, here I means identity matrix of same order, 2 by 2 or 3 by 3. So if this condition occurs, then B is inverse of A. It is denoted by A inverse. B is denoted by A inverse, and A is called as invertible matrix. invertible matrix. It means if AB equals to BA equals to I, then B is called inverse of A, and it is written as A inverse, and A is called invertible matrix. Some important point, one important point is only square matrix are invertible or sometimes non-invertible, but rectangular matrix are always non-invertible. Okay, it means a square matrix of same order 2 by 2 or 3 by 3 are maybe invertible or non-invertible, but rectangular matrix, it means if any matrix have 2 rows 3 columns or 3 rows 2 columns 1 row 3 columns, so rectangular matrix is non-invertible. It means inverse is not possible, and here if AB equals to BA equals to I, then inverse will be possible. Okay, so this is invertible matrix. Now condition for finding inverse of a matrix. How we find inverse of a matrix? Okay, so first, if A is any matrix, then there are two types of operations, first by row and second by column. रो से भी हम ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं या कॉलम से भी कर सकते हैं, बट इफ वी स्टार्ट विथ रो, सो पूरे सॉल्यूशन को हमको रो से ही सॉल्व करना है. अदरवाइज इफ वी स्टार्ट विथ कॉलम, देन वी फॉलो द कॉलम रूल. ओके, सो फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज if A is any matrix, then first for row, if we solve it by row, then we take first A equals to IA. Here A is the matrix, I is identity matrix of same order, and A is also matrix. Then we apply transformations or operations. जो ऑपरेशंस हमने पहले देखे हैं, दैट ऑपरेशंस वी अप्लाई हियर एंड अप्लाई टिल वी गेट LHS as I, and here RHS I change into any other matrix called B, and this A as it is. Okay, so this B is called inverse. Okay, if we solve by column, then first we take A equals to AI. There is one change. If we take row, then A equals to IA, and if we take column, then A equals to AI. Okay, so apply same operations in column and we get LHS as I, and this A as it is, and this I becomes B after operations. So this B is called inverse. Okay, so this is the method for finding inverse of a matrix. For row, always take A equals to IA, and for column always take A equals to AI. Operations are 3 operations by row and 3 operations by column. So this is the theory of the exercise 3.4. Now we move towards the exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4, question number 4. First we solve question number 4. A is given as 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7 is A. So for first we solve it by row. So we take A equals to IA. A given as 2, 3, 5, 7. I of order 2 by 2, 1, 0, 0, 1, and this A as it is till the end. Now first there are three changes. Ri interchange to Rj, second Ri change to Krj Ri, and third is Ri change to Ri plus minus Krj. So first change will be this, R1 interchange to R2. R1, this is R1 and this is R2. So row 1 change to row 2 and row 2 becomes row 1. So 5, 7, 2, 3. Same changes in RHS also, 0, 1, 1 and 0. A. Now next change. First we solve this term. So R1, change in R1, this first row, we change in this first row. What change? R1 minus 2R2. R1 minus 2R2. So change in R1. R1 means 5 minus 2 into 2. 5 minus 2 into 2. So 5 minus 4, it becomes 1. Same, 7. R1 element of R1 is 7 minus 2 into 3. So 7 minus 6, it becomes 1. No change in R2. So 2, 3. Same changes in RHS also. So 0, R1 is 0 minus 2 into 1. So it becomes minus 2. Then 1 minus 0 into 2. So it becomes 1, 1, 0 and A. Now change in R2. What change? R2 minus 2R1. Okay. So no change in R1. So it is A 1, 1 and R2 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 minus 2 into 1. It's 0. Then here 3 minus 2 into 1. It's 1. Same operation we apply here in R2. R1 is same. 1. R2 is 1 minus 2 into minus 2. Minus minus plus. So 1 plus 4. It's 5. And 0 minus 2 into 1. So it is minus 2. Okay, now this becomes 1, 0, 1. Now we change this term as 0. So R1, change in R1, R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 0 is 1, R1 minus R2, 0, 0 and 1 equals to minus 2 minus 5, it's minus 7. 1 minus minus plus 2, it's 3. No change in R2, so 5 and minus 2, it's A. Now this LHS becomes I and this is minus 7, 3, 5 and minus 2 and A. So we interchange this A to LHS, so we get A inverse equals to this minus 7, 3, 5 and minus 2. This is the inverse of A. Okay. So by this row operations we can easily solve this 2 by 2 matrix. Now next question. Next question, question number 9. 3, 2, 10 and 7. This is A. Now this question we solve by column. By column. By column operations. So first we write it as A equals to AI. Then A is given as 3, 2, 10 and 7. A as it is and I 1, 0, 0, 1. Now first change in interchanging C1 and C2. C1 change to C2. Here C1 is this C1 and this is C2. So C1 interchange to C2. So it becomes 10, 7, 3 and 2. Here A equals to A. and 0 1 1 and 0. C1 change to C2 and C2 change to C1. Okay. So now first element we change this element as 1 by operations. So change in C1, C1 minus 3C2, C1 minus 3C2. C1 is 10 minus 3 into 3, 9. So 10 minus 9 is 1. Same change here, 7 minus 3 into 2, 7 minus 3 into 2 is 6. So it is 1. Then 3 and 2. Same change here in C1, C1 0 minus 3. So it is minus 1, minus 3. Then C1 minus C3, 1. No change in C2, so it is 1 and 0. Now change in C2, C2 minus C1, C2 minus C1. So no change in C1, 1 1. Change in C2, C2 minus C1, 3 minus 1 it's 2 and 2 minus 1 it's 1. A as it is, and no change in C1, so minus 3 and 1. And change in C2, C2 minus C1, 1 minus minus plus 3, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 0, it means C2 minus C1 is minus 1. Now again change in C2, no, change in C1, C1 minus C2. So no, change in C2, so C2 minus C1, 1 1, same. And if we change it as C2 minus 2C1, so we get 1 1 here, and 2 minus 2 it's 0, and here 1 minus 2 it's minus 1. Same changes we apply here. A minus 3 1 and 4 minus minus 3 into 2, it means 6 plus 6, 4 minus minus plus 6, it's 10, and minus 1 minus 2, it's minus 3. Now change in C1, C1 plus C2. Next change is C1 plus C2. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus minus 1 is 0, 0 and minus 1. Same operations here. C1 plus C2, minus 3 plus 10, it's 7, 1 minus 3, it's minus 2, 10 and minus 3. Now change in C2, minus 1 into C2, multiply of minus 1 in this second column. So 1 0 and 0 1. Same operations here, 7 minus 2 and minus 1, multiply of minus 1 in C2, so it becomes minus 10, and minus 1 into minus 3 is 3. So this 1 0 0 1 means I equals to A into 7 minus 10 minus 2 and 3. So A inverse equals to 7 minus 10 minus 2 and 3. So this is the inverse of A. So one question by row and this question is by column. So these two types of operations are available here for solving questions. Okay, now some more questions are there. 3 by 3 matrix is there. So one question of 3 by 3 matrix. Question number 15. Here A is equals to 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. So the elements are 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3 and 3 minus 2 2. So by row operations we solve it as A equals to IA. So first we change R1 interchange to R3, R1 interchange R3. So first we write it as 2 minus 3 3, 2 2 3, 3 minus 2 2 equals to I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1 A. Now R3 change to R1. So 3 minus 2 2, then second row as it is 2 2 3 and first row becomes 3, third row. So 2 minus 3 3. Same operations here, 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. This is equals to A. Now R1, change in R1, R1 minus R2. This is R1, R2 and R3. So change R1 minus R2 means 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 1, minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, and other two are as this. Change in R1, R1 minus R2, 0 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0 into A. Now next change. Now we change in two rows, R2 and R3. Change in R2, R2 minus 2R1, and change in R3 also, R3 minus 2R1. So same, R1 is same, 1 minus 4 1, and change in R2, R2 minus 2R1, R2 minus 2 into 1, it's 2, 2 minus 2, 0, 2, R2 minus minus plus 2 into 4, 8, means it is 10, 3 minus minus plus 2, it is 5, then R3 minus 2R1, 2 into minus 2, 0, minus 3 plus 8, it is 5, and 3 plus 2 is also 5. Same operations here, no change in R1, change in R2, R2 minus 2R1, R2 minus 2R1 is 0, 1 minus 2 into minus 1 is 3, 1 minus 2 minus 3 3, and 0 minus 2, it's minus 2. Same change, R3 minus 2R1. So R3, 1 minus 0 is 1, 0 minus minus plus 2, it's 2, and 0 minus 2, it's minus 2. This is A. Now change in R2, 1 by 5 R2, and change in R3, 1 by 5 R3. So we get 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 2 1 and 0 1 1 equals to 0 minus 1 1, 1 by 5 into R2, so it is 0, 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5, A. Now change in R2 again, R2 minus R3. So 1 minus 4 minus 1, 0 1 0 and 0 1 1. Same changes here, no change in R1, so 0 minus 1 1. Change in R2, R2 minus R3 is minus 1 by 5, 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5, 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5 and plus 2 by 5 is 0. Then no change in R3, so it's 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Okay, so next change is this R3, change in R3. Change in R3, R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. So no change in R1 and no change in R2. Change in R3, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1 equals to change in R3. So R1 is as it is, 0 minus 1 1, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 and 0, and change in this R3. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, it's 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5 is 1 by 5, and minus 2 by 5 as it is, and this is A. Now we change these two terms as 0 0 by applying change in R1 plus R3. R1 plus R3 1 minus 4, and this is 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Same changes you can apply here. So R1 plus R3 2 by 5 minus 1 plus 1 by 5, it's minus 5 plus 1, it's minus 4 by 5, and 5 minus 2 3 by 5, then minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 0, 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. Now we have to change this term as 0. So change in R1 again, R1 plus 4R2. So 1 minus 4 plus 4 is 0 0, no change in any other element. Same changes we apply here. So R1 2 by 5 plus minus 4 by 5. So minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5, it's 0. 3 by 5 plus 4 into 0, so 3 by 5, no change in any other element. So same elements, this is B. Now in LHS we have I, identity matrix of order 3 by 3, 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and this is called B. Minus 2 by 5 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 and 0, 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5 and A. So A inverse is this, minus 2 by 5 0, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 5 1 by 5 and 0, 2 by 5 1 by 5 and minus 2 by 5. So this is the inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay. So solve this next two questions also. 16 and 17 are similar by row or column operations. Anything you can solve. Okay, thank you.